You just finished your app and it looks great. So let's call it a day because you're ready to rest, right? Wrong! I'm David East, and I'm here to convince you that you aren't done yet, because you need to build a widget. But first, what exactly is a widget? Well, a widget just consists of a single view that is passed to other apps, such as the home screen app, and this view gets displayed as a portion of their layout. And that single view has now become a window to your app from the home screen or even the lock screen. And this is where the magic comes in. Because you can use that widget to display information that your users will care about and to trigger actions that will bring them back into your app. This means that you have an opportunity to become the core part of your user's mobile experience. And how cool is that? Consider a simple non-interactive widget, like for a weather app. It can display the current temperature overlaid on a sunny sky to show the weather outside in a single glance on the home screen. Now you just gained a grateful user because they don't actually have to open up the app just to check the weather. But widgets are about doing things, not just showing off. So give that informative view a job to do. A click on the view should trigger a deep link into your app, but don't just open up your main activity. Instead, consider, is there a better point of entry, such as the view for this week's forecast? Another use for a widget could be a control toggle. Perhaps you want to show how strong the Wi-Fi signal is right now. That's your view. And a click on that view could toggle the Wi-Fi on and off without ever directing the user into the Settings app, which is super useful. But these are still only scraping the surface of what widgets can do for you and for users. Think about a calendar widget. The view can adjust to fill whatever size the user gives it, listing out all the events for today. Clicking on an event can open up its detail view, and scrolling through the list can show you everything that doesn't fit in the view. And just because you're showing a list doesn't mean you can't provide space for a quick add action to easily create a new event in a single click. Widgets are great because they empower you to make your app useful to users even when they haven't specifically opened it. And then you can easily get users back into your app because you're enticing them with completing an action. So check out the documentation on widgets to learn how you can get started and what widgets can do for you. But most importantly, just continue to build better apps.